will work out, sir. Just what the doctor ordered.
Well, good.
Yeah. And Mr. Kote, when can we have our papers back?
Well, as soon as I finish marking.
Okay.
It was difficult, sir.
Was it? Mr. Jeblin.
Sir, I was wondering if we could discuss the last part of question 3. You know, if P sigma n.
We shall discuss the questions when the class meets next week. Okay? Well, now, Miss Jones.
I was going to ask a favor, but now I'm afraid.
What can I do for you?
Well, I'm having problems with your course. I need help.
What kind of help can I offer you?
I was hoping if you could give me some tutorials.
Tutorials? That's no problem. Well, you see me later and we can arrange something. Yes?
I will.
All right. Okay, I'll see you then.
Right.